You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to solve geo payment bank problem. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that's actually helped me out. So let's get started. The first thing to check is to check the internet and the app version. So ensure you have a stable internet and the updated version of the MyGeo app. Then after that, retry the transaction on and wait for a few minutes and retry again. Then after that, you can simply also clear the cache and restart the app. So to do that, you have to go to the settings, then click on app, then click on MyGeo, then click the clear caches. Then after that, you can restart your phone. And also, you can also check for account restriction. If your account is blocked, it may need verification. So you have to contact the Geo Payment Bank support, and the number to their contact is on the screen. Just call them, and you can also as well as email them just for a quick assistance. And also you can also provide the details for fast resolution. You can share your registered mobile number and your issue details with support, and that's how you can solve the Geo Payment Bank problem. And that's it.